Today we will make a video with coffee grinder and bracelet. The worth of this bracelet is 40,000. This jewelry, this is special jewelry. This is a gift from the President of Germany. We will put it in the grinder and see what happens. I'm putting now that in the grinder. We will start now. And when I finish, you will see the result. And after 2 hours of grinding, we will see what happens. After 2 hours, we will see what happens. Nothing. Everything okay. What the fuck? But for more videos, subscribe, like, and you will see what happens.